Welcome to Salika Mag. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to make paper bag short for kids. You can see here the formula, and here is a size chart. You can note down from 9 months to 10 years, and this is how you can take measurement. You can see in this picture, and so I just select the 5 years old measurement from this chart, and you can select any measurement from this chart and you can start marking. So first I'm leaving here 1 inch because we want here, and that's how you have to divide waist by 4. You can see on screen, and then after that I'm just going to mark my crotch, and for crotch you can take the hip and divide that by 4. You can take hip from the chart, or if you want your own measurement you can take according to that picture that I just mentioned in the starting of this video. So after that I'm going to mark here the hip line. Again the hip we need to divide here by 4, and then the hemline, and the same pattern you can use for your full pant paper bag pant. And if you don't have this type of scale, you can bend a little your normal scale, but it's a good idea if you use this. And here also make a little outer curve to just make a shape here. And guys, if this tutorial is useful for you, please don't forget to give your feedback. At least press the thumbs up button, and if possible then share this video with your friends and family. It will really help me to make more tutorials. And also in comment section let me know if any more tutorials, any style you want to learn. So this is the marking. Now I'm going to cut, and after that I will attach the pockets and belt and each and everything. So don't forget, don't skip the video. So this is the front part only. Now we are going to cut the back part. So again we need to fold our fabric in 2 folds, and that's how I'm leaving here, and then just mark the extra for your your back side hip line. And guys, I'm using almost half meter or half yard of my fabric for this 5 years old girl short, so you can get an idea that how much fabric you need. So here I just mark here extra on the back side, 2 inches extra, or if you are working in centimeter you can convert in the centimeter, because our hip is heavier, so that's why we need to make it a little big on the back side. And see, now I just stitch my front here, and then it's time to attach the pockets. So here I'm just marking on a piece of fabric according to my desired length and width, as you can see here, and then just make here a little curve just to make here a design. And I'm using my serger to finish the edge here, but you can fold your with your regular machine directly. So after using serger, I'm using my machine to fold the edge of my this pocket. This is a little curve, and after completing this I will show you how you can attach this on your short. So see here I just attach this part, the front with the back, and now I'm going to attach my this pocket. And after that this is because the decorative stitches, so make sure that it's very straight and beautiful. And so I just attached the pocket, and after that I will stitch the belt, and I will show you that how to stitch here. So after stitching the sides, we need to stitch the crotch area. But here you can see now for crotch you need to attach the center with the pin, and make sure that you use a lot of pins here, so it will be easy for you to fix here. And after that we will go to the machine and stitch this. And guys, if you are first time here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon and all notification, so you will get every time our notification when I will upload a video. And if you are a beginner, you can check in my playlist a complete course for the beginners. So see here, we need to stitch this area. And see again, I'm using my serger, but you can use the regular machine. So now it's time to attach the belt, which is actually that give you a paper bag effect on the waist area. And usually the paper bag short or pants is a little loose, so that's how we need to attach the belt. First I'm just stitching here the center, and after that I mark here the center and the sides. And now I'm going to attach center with the center, the center back with the center back, and sides with the sides. And make sure you use a lot of pins here, and then go to the machine. So guys, in this video you just see that how I attach the loops, and now I'm just inserting the belt after stitching this, and it's time to attach the elastic first, and after that I will insert the belt. So elastic again you can take according to your waist, or you can just minus the 4 inches than your waist. And because this is for kids, so I don't have the less width elastic, so that's why I just cut it in from the width, and now I'm just inserting on the short. So hope guys you like this tutorial, and please don't forget to give me your feedback. It's very important for me to make more tutorials like that. And don't forget to hit the bell icon, and if possible please share with your friends and family. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.